Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Look at that.
Just look at it. It's goofy.
No, I'm Brandon.
Oh yeah, this is Brandon. And he's making an electric engine.
Hell yeah.
Last time on Voyage Off the Grid, we showed you how to pull a 10 kilowatt brushless motor from a Honda Civic. Brandon believes that long props will mean a slower draw on the batteries, so the next step in testing his theory is to mount the motor to a prop, an old outboard. Be prepared, there is a lot of stuff in here. But we want that. The motor. With an extended prop. Brandon has been using 123D Design and the tools at Level 1 and FirstBuild in Louisville to create a mount for the motor so he can connect it to a 34-inch propeller and test its power draw. Hi, Bentley. I've been following him around throughout the build, and I've learned so much about the laser and water cutter and 123D Design. This project has been a real challenge, but it's coming together.
It's a tight fit, Jim. It needs to
That's
actually
good.
It needs to be a little bit looser. You can see where it's cutting and where it hasn't yet.
Mm-hmm.
So I might just go find a drill bit that fits this side, that doesn't fit this side, and then green it just to slide it down. Since we're here an hour for waiting on the print, you should go and stick the print out. You should try to do a time lapse in the print. That'd be cool.
I only have one nice camera.
Yeah, use it on that.
Mm-mm.
And plug it in. It does come up pretty even. It's looking fly. The numbers are good. It's definitely nice. Hot red too? Yes.
Do you see how it fits?
Do you see?
I quit. I ain't doing it no more. Stop.
It don't fit?
I quit. I need a break.
That one is lined up, that one. Not so much that one.
Dead on. Hi-ho, dead on. That fucker's on. I think I need to do the whole back, so what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do two. So, what I did, the thing that I often do, instead of moving it forward to, I was supposed to move it back to. Now it should come off.
Sure, goofy.
They gave me coffee. I'm not the
Coffee?
one that needs coffee. I'll drink it. Just go check. Alright, now all holes are holding. All holes are holding.
Now let's go do it in thin metal, and then we'll go do it in a thick piece of aluminum. How about that?
Sweet.
I think the thin metal. This is set up for the IMA first gen. And close it out. And then we're gonna
That's
open
a
it up
tricky set of Legos.
again. Isn't it? It's 5 pieces. 5 pieces of aluminum that have to precisionally fit together and be center dead on, so the bearing doesn't go wobble, 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 smack, bam, crack, blam, bam. Ow, my! Just like that. One finger faster than the other. That's right. That's right. Okay, so now what we need to do is
So you said
copy that ring. So now there's 2 rings, just like it on top of each other. So that way, when I use one of the rings to subtract that, there's now only 1 ring. Now when I select this piece, as you can see, is missing those circles. Which I need to remove it. All I need to do is tell it that I want all 3 of those to be separate pieces. Separate those pieces. I'll take this one off and delete it. And now it looks a lot like that one. Now we can combine them. Combine. Okay then, we're getting there. Now we can line this up and move it in place of that one. Batter out. Batter in.
Good job.
Alright. Back up. I have to copy them because I'm going to use them to remove themselves from this guy. Remove yourself. Remove yourself. Bam. Now we can look at what their result is. These are serve as the dowel pins for the assembly. Hopefully these 1/2-inch cut pieces of aluminum will serve to line it up on those 6 plates. Or 6 plate ends. Oops, see, it messed it up down here. It must have been a little bit off. So we're going to go back. What am I going to do to fix this? Actually, move forward and examine it. I think this is what I experienced last time, and I won't experience this on the actual rig. But what I can do is just take this little door right here. Actually, yeah, let's ungroup it. Just push it out of nowhere. Now it's gone. And now it doesn't exist. That's their bolt holes. So what I'm going to do is, those are M8 threads. They're 12mm size. I'm going to be safe and use 1/2-inch 13 and measure it. 19mm. That's even more meat I got to take out of.
Template after template. But you gotta measure twice, cut once, that's what they say.
Is it done?
It just finished.
Oh, it's done finished, huh?
Yep.
Alrighty then. Hold on to your butthole.
Let's see if this template will work. Here's a fit.
Good fit, the chips. Oh, yeah. I want to be my lover. Oh, yeah.
Next up, stainless steel plate. $90 for this little piece of metal. $100. $100 for this hunk of metal. It better turn out right.
Shiver me timbers? Minutes.
There it is. Here it comes. Da, 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 da. Will it fit? Will it be perfect? I think so.
Look at it. That is a thin cut.
Nice. I can see it. It's coming together.